So many of us live on lives as if the secret purpose is to somehow get everything done. We start up late, get up early, avoid having fun, and give on loved ones waiting. Suddenly, I have seen many people who put off their loved ones so long that the loved ones lose interest in maintaining the relationship. I used to do this myself often. We convince ourselves that on obsession with us to-do list is only temporary. That that once we get through the list, we will be calm, relaxed, and happy. But in reality, this rarely happen. As items are checked off, new ones simply replace them. The nature of your in basket in that it's meant to have items to be completed in, it's not meant to be empty. There will always be phone call that need to be made, project to be complete, and work to be done. In fact, it can be argued that a full in basket is essentially for success. It means your time is in demand, regardless of who you are or what you do. However, remember that nothing is more important than your own sense of happiness and inner pleasure, and that of your loved ones. If you're obsessed with getting everything done, you will never have a sense of well-being. In reality, almost everything can wait. Every little is on work lives truly fell into the emergency category. If you stay focused on your work, it will all get done in due time. I found that if I remind myself that the purpose of life isn't to get it all done but to enjoy each step along the way and live a life filled with love, it's far easier for me to control my obsession with completing my list of thinking to do. Reminded When you die, there will still be unfinished business to take care of, and you know that someone else will do it for you. Don't waste any more precious moment of your life regretting the investable.